In this series of courses, we will cover everything about pulse jet bag filter. This course will explain bag filter fundamentals and fabric filter control system. Course 3. This course consists of 1. Bag filter fundamentals. 2. Fabric filter control system. In this video, we review the main components of the bag filter fundamentals. In this video, we review the main components of a pulse jet filter that are responsible for the process of cleaning filter bags. In this video, we review the main components of the fabric filter control system. Bag filter fundamentals. Pulse jet filter. Pulse valve. Bag filter fundamentals. Pulse jet components. Diaphragm valve. Characteristics: these valves are specifically for filter cleaning of dust collectors and bag houses in reverse pulse jet systems. Those applications require high peak pressure, high flow rates, long life, and extremely fast valve opening and closing, for effective filter cleaning while minimizing compressed air waste. Bag filter fundamentals. Pulse jet components. Air manifold tank. In it the air is stored, and from it the air is distributed to the filter, through the diaphragm valve. Diaphragm valves are installed on the air manifold tank. It is also called air accumulator tank. Bag filter fundamentals. Pulse jet components. Tube sheet, cell plate. Bag filter fundamentals. Pulse jet components. Venturis. Venturis area cone-shaped devices located at the top of a tubular filter bag in a pulse jet dust collector. At the top of the venturi, negative pressure is created for pulling additional air down into the filter elements during pulsing. Bag filter fundamentals. Pulse jet components. Bags. The working conditions in which the bag will be installed on are most important parameters required for choosing the correct filter media. 1. Temperature. 2. Dust practical size. 3. Chemical characteristics of dust, acidic, alkali. 4. Dust load. 5. Electrostatic effect of dust. 6. Humidity. 7. Type of filtration method, jet pulse, reverse air, or shaking. The type of fabric, filter media. Following are some considerations you may need to keep in mind when choosing the suitable filter fabric, filter media, for your applications, are as the following. 1. Air permeability of the material, fabric weight per square meter. 2. Fabric's finish and surface treatments or membranes. 3. Bag configurations, top, bottom, diameter, length, and sewing threads. Bag filter fundamentals. Pulse jet components. Cages. Filter bag cages are one of import parts, which are used together with dust filter bags in dust collector bag house system. Filter bag cages are also called filter bag support frames. Function of filter bag cages is to support filter bags and prevent them from collapsing on themselves. Bag filter fundamentals. Pulse jet components. Timer or delta P based control. Bag filter controller is solid-state sequential timer, designed to control the cleaning cycle of bag filters, with adjustable on or off pause timings. Differential pressure, also known as pressure drop or delta P, is the difference in pressure between the dirty air side of the bag house and the clean air side. As in the incoming air is pulled through the filter media, filter bags, vacuum is lost, resulting in the air entering the bag house having a weaker vacuum than the air exiting the bagus. Fabric filter control system. Pulse jet cleaning operation, through timer. This video shows that the filter works in the timer system, but can also be set to the delta P system, depending on filter bag's condition. Fabric filter control system. Modern proven control system. Advantages: the system. 1. Parallel or serial communication to plant control system, profile bus or mode bus are preferred. 2. Communication to field components, either parallel or serial. 3. Operator panel can be located, either in weather enclosure or in electrical room. In this system associated process plant, can be controlled if required. Communication with plant, control systems if required. This system consists of the following components. 1. Compressed air manifold pressure. 2. Valve operation. 3. Compartment emission. 4. Filter control system. 5. Plant control system. 6. Filter pressure drop. 7. Auxiliary equipment, dampers. Fabric filter control system. Filter control system. Measurement. 1. Filter delta P between inlet and outlet manifold. Result. Optimized air consumption, filter delta P and minimum wear of bags. 2. Compressed air manifold pressure. Check of correct valve operation, and compressed air supply. Detection. 1. Dust content in clean gas, and next row to be cleaned, optional. Result. Able to detect and locate bag failure. 2. Damper position, open or closed. Information regarding which compartments are in operation. Plant control system. Measurement, detection. 1. Hopper level indicator. Result. Warning, alarm in case of high level. 2. Hopper temperature, optional. Avoid condensation in hopper, by control of heating. Thanks for following the channel, Courses in the Cement Industry. And please help us to continue and provide more information, by subscribe to the membership, and inviting your colleagues to watch this channel.